Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to withdraw XRP from Coinbase. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up Coinbase guys, go ahead and log into your account. So guys, go ahead and click the sign in button and enter in your account info, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where you can now see at the bottom of the screen all the options that you can access, such as you can see the home section, you can see your assets, trading, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to withdraw XRP. So guys, the first thing we have to do is go ahead and click the My Assets option right here, which is next to the home page at the bottom of the screen. Guys, go ahead and click My Assets, and this will now open up a list of all of the assets that you have, and you want to go ahead and find XRP in that list. Go ahead guys and find XRP and click on it, and never clicking on it guys, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you can see you can either buy or sell your XRP. So you want to go ahead guys and click on Sell at the top of the page, and after clicking on Sell guys, now you can enter in how much you want to sell. You can enter in the details right here, and you want to select to sell XRP. As you can see currently here it is selected Bitcoin, but if you clicked on XRP it's going to go ahead and say XRP. If it doesn't guys, just go ahead and open up the list and select XRP. So just guys, go ahead and select what you want to deposit it to. You can select cash, USD, and after you have entered in all the info guys and you are sure you want to sell, just go ahead guys, click on preview sell, and after that confirm the sell guys, then the sale, and you'll successfully sell the XRP and it will be deposited into your account. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.